How come you guys didn't tell me I was mocking up the wrong seat first? Good thing they're similar. Alright, welcome back. So today I'm going to be working on mocking up these seats. I got some angle iron right here that I had floating around. I did have to go get some nuts and bolts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mock up these seats before I really do this floor, you know, that way I don't screw up the floor after I get done with it. And then see what it looks like after I'm done. See you guys in a bit. So I was sitting here trying to figure out how I'm gonna mock it all up inside there, and these seats came out of a Honda, and I remember sitting in these seats and I was like, they're comfortable, I like them, so I'm gonna put these in there. Now what I know is from where these two mount versus where the old seats mount, they're about 1.5 inches off from each other. So either I'm gonna have to put extension on the back side or the front side, or I can try to see if I can take these tracks off and see if I can bolt the seat up same exact way. Just turn those angle irons down, and I can bolt those to the back by still using the same or the original seat adjustments. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look into this. I'm going to see if I can take these on the Honda seats, see if I can get the adjustments off of here, and see if I can still mount it. I'm going to dig into it. I'll let you know. So I bought these because I figured it would be easier to build a mount or buy something that is already structurally sound, and I can, you know, mount it down to the car, bolt it up right there, you know, drill a hole, bolt it, done, nice and stable, nice and sturdy. And I'm gonna see how it works. Well, come to a conclusion. I'm gonna pop these mounts off, and then I'm gonna reposition the seats to where I need them to be at. Then wherever I reposition them, I'm gonna reinforce that area with 2 steel plates and weld those in, and then these will bolt right on top. So the bottom side and top side, boom. It'll probably save a lot of trouble. I know a lot of you are probably gonna get mad at me for destroying these, but you know, after looking on eBay and Amazon and all that crazy jazz, I ain't seen any of these going for worth a penny or two. So, not to mention these are all rusted and ugly. I doubt I would get anything for it. But anyways, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna drill these out, or maybe I might grind them out. I don't know. But I'm taking these mounts off, and I'm gonna put them on here and custom built. How come you guys didn't tell me I was mocking up the wrong seat first? Good thing they're similar. Well, I've got the seats, at least the driver's side seat, a little bit more mocked up. Um, gotta get a different bracket for the rear here. So I may have to build a different bracket. I may have to build a different bracket and find something I can use. The way these seats are designed, they're curved. Right now, it's making that seat sit too far back. So we gotta bring it up. I gotta get about almost a 4 1/4 inch lift in the back. So that's looking pretty good. I'm gonna finish up on mocking up on the passenger side. At least get the front part of it put in. I just test fitted it. Feels pretty good. I really want a smaller steering wheel. That steering wheel's gotta go. Once I get that off, and then it might be the end of the day for me because it's already 6 o'clock. I really don't want to spend any more time today. I want to go home and get some sleep. Got a couple cars that are coming in tomorrow. So there's the update for Tony. I want to finish up putting the other seat in, and then I'll give you guys a quick video of that one too. So we'll see you in a bit. So we are done for today. I got part of it tacked up for the moment. This side's tacked up. It's not 100%, but we're gonna get it going. It ain't the beautiful thing, but it looks pretty decent so far. All right, so it is now. Let's see, what time is it? What time is it? It's 6:43. I'm gonna get out of here for today. I do want to go home and get some sleep and all that crazy shit. I want to go home and get some. Got a few things I have to do tonight, so I have to leave early. So I'm gonna close up the shop tonight. So I want to say thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, the whole bit. I mean, that makes me happy when I see comments and stuff. Shout out to Motor by Motor. They sponsor us on some of their brake parts. Finish Line Factory. You know, we got a new deal going on with them. Hit me up, and if you need any of those fittings and fuel lines, oil lines, whatever, hit me up. I'll get you a discount on those. And not to mention Doobie. Doobie's got energy drinks and water drinks, flavored water drinks, energy drinks and flavored water drinks. So hit them up. Here's my discount code. Use it. Get yourself a drink or two. I'll see you guys here tomorrow because I got to be out here again tomorrow because we got another vehicle coming in. And then I'm going to finish tacking up on the passenger side and get that done. All right. I'll see you guys on the next time.